There are a lot of people out there who like to work on their own cars. I think that there are a couple reasons for that, and one is to feel some sort of accomplishment for being able to fix something, but the main reason is to try to save yourself some money, because if you can do something without having to pay a garage and just pay for the price of the part, then you're going to save yourself a whole lot of money and spend a couple hours on the weekend and try to do it. And if you take your alternator off, or you're replacing your alternator, and you find yourself struggling to do it, so you look it up online and you see these guys doing it, and it seems like it's pretty easy. You're like, wow, they're doing it pretty good, so I can do it. And then you go to pull it off and you find yourself struggling because it seems like it's stuck, it doesn't want to come off. You try to pry it off, then eventually you get it off, then you go try to stick it back on and you think, man, this doesn't even fit, what's going on? Well, there's two things that you're going to want to do here to try to make sure that your alternator is going to fit really well. First thing you want to do is see where it came out of, and you're going to look for where the bolt screws through. Make sure that it's clean on these areas right here, no rust, grime, or anything. Clean that off, make sure that it's clean. Second thing you're going to want to do is look where the bolt screws in on the alternator. If you look, you can see this part right there protruded up from being flush just a tiny bit, and that right there, it will happen on both sides. So to fix that, take your alternator bolt, just screw it in a few times, do the same thing on the other side. Then what you want to do is grab you a hammer. You take that hammer and you smack that bolt a couple times pretty good, and you will drive that down to where it is flush. Once you do that, you try to stick it on, it'll fit just like it's meant to. So I appreciate you watching. If you found this tip helpful, make sure you like, subscribe for more. Take it easy.